Think A&P school is only for younger students? Think again. Right now in America, the average age of an aircraft mechanic is 57 years old. So even if you're 50 years old, changing careers and coming into this, you're still going to be younger than the average guy in the field and be able to run circles around them in the workforce. The biggest challenge for most people a little bit later in life coming back to school is the ability to commit the time. We're an express program, for example, and many other schools are as well. You might have to dedicate up to 8 hours a day, Monday through Friday for class. But it's not impossible. Those who save, those that are smart, are able to take time away from their regular careers to advance their new one. Likewise, we also offer night classes, and our night classes are full of people who work all day and study all evening. In as little as 10 months, you can become an aircraft mechanic. And in the grand scheme of life, 10 months is a very short time. If somebody told you that by investing less than a year of your life, you could double your income, would you do it? Our more mature students tend to succeed better than our students coming right out of high school because they've already learned good quality work ethic and good time management skills. They tend to be a whole lot more successful. Likewise, candidates that are coming from a managerial role bring in those management experiences, which I'll be honest, employers love to see in an interview. For example, we had a student graduate the program just a couple months ago, and he was a wonderful, wonderful student, in fact, top of my class. And what made the difference for him getting through the program was the fact he brought 25 years of management experience to the table through owning his own architecture firm. This student, as a matter of fact, was so driven and so goal-orientated that he got the highest written scores on both his airframe and his power plant that we've ever had out of the school. We were so impressed with his leadership ability that at the conclusion of his program, we hired him to work in our maintenance department at the flight school.
My name's Dave Ammon. I am 52 years old. I just graduated Thrust Institute of Maintenance in December, and now I'm here at the maintenance shop for Thrust Flight. So I have my wife to thank for that. So about 5 years ago, she got her private pilot's license, and I had been practicing architecture for about 25 years. And we bought a Beechcraft, and I kind of got the itch. And so we sat down, had a talk, and could I make a life change, you know, get out of architecture and get into aviation? And the answer was yes. And so I did a little research, I found Thrust, and that's what got me motivated to go to maintenance school and become an A&P. You know, I love it. I've always enjoyed working with my hands. I felt like I got to do a little bit of that in some sense with architecture. I got to put buildings together. You know, this is different, but you're still reading drawings. You're still using that knowledge to, you know, put planes together. You're looking at manuals. The experience for me has been wonderful. I love working on aircraft. They're always flying by. And I can honestly say Thrust has been an amazing place to go to school and an amazing place to work at. The people here are fantastic.
Here at Thrust, we have found that students that are changing careers, especially one that involves mechanical, engineering, the sciences, to aviation, can help a student succeed better than a student right off the street. As a matter of fact, a lot of guys come to this from the automotive realm because the types of work you're doing are very similar. However, the pay and the reward of being an aircraft mechanic is that much greater. Even guys coming out of the military, they might have aviation experience, but oftentimes, depending what they were doing in the service, they may qualify an experience only for either the airframe or the power plant license. It is very uncommon for them to qualify for both. So we find having that real-world experience from the military helps tremendously when pursuing both certifications. The manuals, the technical documents, materials, processes from the military are all pretty much the same in the civilian sector. At the end of the day, age has nothing to do with advancing career in aviation. As a matter of fact, those that are older do better. It's about the mindset, it's about the mentality. But your skills, your experience from previous in life can help make you a better mechanic in the long run. There may be complications along the way. It may be difficult trying to do this, raising a family, supporting a family, raising kids. But the reward you will be able to give your family with a good, solid, successful career will far outweigh the short-term sacrifice to get there. So if you've been thinking about joining an A&P school, now is the time. With the industry stronger than it has ever been and job demand stronger than it has ever been, in as little as 10 months, you're going to be qualified and ready to go and work in the field. You can help pull your family up and build a better life for yourself. Whether it's today, tomorrow, or the next week, it doesn't matter. The future is constantly evolving, and it can for your career as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our admissions team at the link below. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, guys.